Hi guys, recently I found a really cool website and really helpful. Like I was exploring on the internet and just randomly I found this website. I never thought this type of website will exist and this type of business. And at the end you'll be like, oh, this is really cool. So in this video, I just want to show you a website called GeeLark where you can manage multiple phones. Like you don't need that phone physically. You can create those phones cloudly and you don't need have to pay till the time you use those phone. You have to pay. You don't need have to pay one time. When you will use, you have to pay. If you don't want to use, you don't need have to pay. So have you ever thought you want to manage multiple Instagram accounts, TikTok accounts, YouTube accounts, but someday you realize you need multiple phones? But no worry, in this video I'm showing to GeeLark where you can manage multiple phone. And the good news, all phones will be cloud based. You don't need have to buy phones physically. Or maybe you're a social media manager, agency owner, affiliate marketer, or e-commerce seller who try to constantly switching device one to another. But in this video, we have a really cool tool. So in this video, I want to show you this website. So firstly, just you have to go this website. You will find the link in description. You can check out. And here is homepage, your AI copilot for social media marketing. Run your social media accounts on cloud phones. Like how to do, I will tell you in this video. And for any platform, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, X, Reddit, Snapchat, Pinterest, or you will find this website look like this. And solution you can see here. And use scenario like if you are a social media marketer, affiliate marketer, e-commerce, or drop shipping, you are doing airdrop farming, cloud gaming, ad verification you can do. And here you will find product, cloud phone, proxy browser, multi-account browser, so many things. Just you have to do one thing, just have to create account, just click on sign up button and you just have to enter your basic details like email, and then you will get OTP. You have to enter password, and if is there any referral code you can put there. But here is the referral code. If you will use this, you will get some perks. Or if you don't want to enter their details, you can directly sign up with Google or phone number. So quickly I'm putting my all information and just creating account on this. And I created my account. It's saying you have to log in again. So I put my information and just click on logged in, and just now I logged in successfully. It's saying find the right plan for your needs, and they have 3 plans: free, base, pro. And you will get 2 profiles, 5 profiles, 20 profiles, and they have total 3 plans. All will explain in this video, no worry. And right now I'm in the dashboard, and from the left side I can manage profiles, proxies, library. And here is a pop-up it's saying if you want to experience this better, you have to download app. So I'm downloading this app, and from here I can manage which device I'm using right now. So here is the option Mac OS, Windows, or Linux. So I'm using Windows, so I'm downloading this for Windows. And so let me download this, and let's jump on this video where I downloaded this and logged in on my dashboard from the app. So right now I'm in the app and I put my all information here. Just I'm click on logged in, or it's going to log in right now. And 3 2 1, or yes, we are logged in app successfully, where I can manage many things. And right now I don't have any plan, and I will tell you everything on this video. Again, same pop-up. I'm just closing this. Profiles, proxies, library. If you see one thing, from there, from the web version, we can't use proxies library because that's saying you have to download this app. So right now I'm here, and no need for library, you have to upgrade. So right now on this video I'm upgrading my plan. So they have 3 plans: free, base, or pro. For pro we have these things, and for base this, and for free this. And you will get the profiles pricing here, and you will get for how many time period you are looking for this plan. And here you will find more things like monthly rental, this thing, time add-ons, or G proxy. So for this video right now I'm just upgrading on pro plan, so we'll get many things. And we are going with 7 days, and for the 7 days it's saying you have to pay $4, and you will find so many payments options here. So if I'm untick this, and you will find so many payment options here like e-card, PayPal, and USDT, Bitcoin, GPay. There are so many things you can pay via this, but right now I have $30 credits, and you also can get, just enter my invitation code which I already shared, link in description and right now on screen. So I have $30 in my wallet, so I'm using this, and I have to pay only $4.43, and here I can see submit order. And if I want to add something else, I can add from here, and I can increase the period from here like 7 days, 30 day, 90 day, 180, 360. So for this video, at this moment right now I'm going with 7 days, and I'm submitting my order, and it's live or it's successfully done. So right now we can manage so many things here, and it will show like renew date, proxies, library, and many things. So right now I will tell you how you can create a cloud phone from scratch. So on the left side you will find so many options here. Firstly, profiles, where you can manage multiple profiles, and right now I can create more than 20 profiles at a time. And from here you can set proxies. If you want to add proxies, you can add from here, and library, this one, and there are so many things, so I will tell you everything. So firstly, we have to create a profile. Profiles means we have to create a cloud device right now. So for that, just I have to click on new profile, and right now it's saying what name you want to keep this. So for example, for this video we are keeping it like testing, and I just copied this. And operating system, Android or iOS. iOS is under development right now, but in future you will get. So I'm choosing this Android, and here you have to choose the group. So for that, like if you want to keep it ungroup, you can, or if you want to take any new name, like just you have to enter like testing 123 or XYZ, what you want to keep. So for this video I'm just choosing test, and here is a tag where you will find template, or if you want to create new, you can. For example, for this video I'm keeping it test, or you can choose color from here. So I'm keeping this, and for your remark, for that I'm keeping it testing. And in this option you will find 3 options here: gproxy, custom, or saved. In custom you can enter custom proxy details here. If you have saved proxy details, like you are using from long time and you have saved some proxy details, you can use those. And if you don't have any proxy, you can buy. Just you have to click on billing, and you can buy from here. And from here I can buy proxies. So click on buy, and you will find some residential proxy, 5 GB, 10 GB, 20 GB, and you can buy from outside market too. But if you want to buy from here, you can buy from here too. And so I'm buying this 5 GB, and it will cost $22, $22.50. And if you want to add any promo code, if you have, you can enter. And I'm using my wallet balance. So submit order, and it's successfully done. I bought some proxies, and it's available 5 GB. So again, going to profiles, new profile, and just keeping the name testing, group test, testing, for remark testing. And from here I can choose this gproxy, custom, or saved. So right now using gproxies, and from here you have to select country or region of which country proxy you need, and you will find big list here. But if you are like I just want random, just you can click here, you will find a random. But for this video you can see like it's a big list. And let's go with let me find something. Let's go with Japan. And if you want something state also, you can choose from here, and it's optional. So I'm not choosing any. And if you want city too, so you can choose city too. And here you will find 2 options: keep IP as long as possible, or rotating. You can choose any one. Like if you need keep my IP address same, so choose this one. But if you want when you log in every time your IP will be new, like it's rotating, so I'm choosing this keep IP as long as possible. And in filter mode, if you will click here, like you will find quality plus speed, max, full size. So I'm going with quality. I choose this, but if you want to customize, you can customize. And here is a device information where charging method like pay per minute or monthly rental. So in this video, we are going with pay per minute. And here is a version Android 15, Android 13, and latest is Android 16, which means which device you are setting on that device, which Android version you want. So right now I want Android 14. And next is advanced settings, where you will find phone number. If you want auto generated, you can choose this, but if you want to custom, you can choose custom. Location based on IP, custom. Device brand random, custom. For example, for device brand, you want to go with a specific brand, like you will find many brands here. For example, let's go with Samsung. And of Samsung, which device model, you will find everything here. So let's go with Samsung S22. And here is a device name, auto generated or custom. So let's go with custom because it's S22. And next, cloud phone language based on IP, or if you want to choose custom, you can choose from here. And here is a one more setting, location based on IP or custom. If you need like a specific location, you can choose from here, but if you want on based on IP, you can choose that. And it's almost done, just you have to click on create, and if you want to preview, you can preview too. We're done with profile creating part, and here we can access this profile. And if you will see here, you will find two profiles we are using, and this profile was already auto generated when I first time logged in. And here's our profile. Just I'm clicking on start, and it's going to start. This is cloud based device we set up in this video, and right now it's going to start. Just waiting to start, just have to wait bit time. And it's totally cloud based, and it's fetching data, starting, connecting. It will take bit time, but just think, this is totally cloud device. You don't need have to buy any physical device, not have to invest big amounts. And here is our device, and it's cloud device. If I will go to Play Store, so I can install any apps. So just I have to click on sign in, and here we are in our device. From here I can manage some settings, but if I will go to apps, so I can install any apps from here. We set up our cloud device successfully, but before that we need have to install some applications on that mobile. So for that, just you have to go to applications, and from here you will find so many applications. And here you can search specific app, like let's go with TikTok. And you will find so many options here: TikTok Studio, Lite, Asia, Lite, TikTok Seller, TikTok Global. So let's install TikTok Global. Just have to click on install, and on which groups you want to install this. So I want on test. Just install, and successfully installation. And if we'll go with YouTube, again it will ask this. Install done. And let's go with Instagram Lite or Instagram, and it's done. If we'll search here Facebook, done. And you will find so many options here you can install. And if you want to categorize this, so you can choose from this. And if you have something specific keyword or something name of app, you can search from here and install. And lastly, we'll go with Reddit, and it's install, it's done. Let's go on profiles. Just have to click on start, and it's starting. Just have to wait bit. And right now here we are in our device. If I will just slide this, I will find Reddit, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. And if I will click here, I will find App Store, timer, rotate, screenshot, upload, export, camera, and more. And from here I can just get coordinate, restart, volume, accelerate, mirror, or there are so many things you can find. And if I just want to open YouTube, and right now I open YouTube, and here I'm searching this channel where you watching this video. And yes, here is this channel right now. And latest video, if I click on members only, And yeah, I can engage, like I haven't logged in my account yet on this, but if I logged in with my account, I can engage. It's an ad. I'm just closing this, and if I'm just skipping this,
Finally, after a long wait, YouTube has introduced the option
oh,
where you can
right
set a
now I
custom
can watch my own video on a cloud device. And yeah, I can do everything what I can do in a real device. And if I just logged in with my details, with my Instagram account, my Facebook account, my Instagram account, my TikTok account, my Reddit, I can do whatever I want to do. And good news, this is only cloud device. I don't need have to invest on real device. And from here you can install any apps. And if you want to close this, just you have to click on this, and this will close. And from here you can create new profiles with new device, new IP, new location, everything. And in the left side you will find some option. First is profile, where you can manage your profiles. Proxies, you can manage proxies. If you want to add, you can add from here. And if you want to add some configuration, you can do from here. If you go to library, you will find your generation, which you can generate from here. And next is GeeLark AI, where you can ask some questions like image to video, text to video, generate images, AI automation like TikTok video posting, TikTok browser posting, and ask how do you charge, how to use RPA, and anything you want to ask. And if you have some specific question, you can ask here. And in discovery you will find analytics. In analytics you will find analytics of your social handles. Just you have to click on add account, and you will find platform of which account you want to add. For example, YouTube. And just I'm adding my channel here, and it's successfully added. And here I can track everything. And next is applications, where you will find those applications. Next is automation, where you can automate TikTok video posting, publish YouTube shorts, post reels video on Instagram, publish on Reddit. And if you have some custom tasks, you can add from here. Plans, logs, you can check out this. And here you will find some more options you can check out: resources, referral, GHub. And here you can manage billing, where you will find subscription, usage, order history. And in a member, like if you want to invite your team member to operate this, you can invite them to. And in logs you will find everything like logged in and IP and everything. So this is the tool which you can use to create cloud devices. You don't need to have to buy or invest in new phone, and till date, till time you will use, you have to just use them and just have to pay till time. So here's the full video. So let me know in comment how's the video, and you will love this. And you will find the link in the description, you can check out that. So see you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye, take care.